Good morning, grade fours. We are going to continue where we left off yesterday with in talking about fact families with multiplication. This is going to be a shorter video. I just wanted to go over a little review of what we did yesterday, and then also I'm going to take up the homework that I gave you with fact families, and then I have a few more questions for you. So anyway, let's get started with the work that I gave you yesterday. So I've already started doing some of this for you, and you can take yours up as we go. So I've got 3, 8, and 24. Well, 3 times 8 is 24. 4, 20, and 5. Well, 4 divided into 20 is equal to 5. 6, 18, and 3. Well, 6 divided into 18 is 3. Over here, 23, 5, and 7. 23, 5 does not divide evenly into 23, so that is not a fact family. That is incorrect. Let's take a look at this one. 6, 48, and 8. 6 divides into 48 8 times. That's a fact family, so we're good with that one. Over here, 8, 2, and 16. 8 times 2 is 16, so that is a fact family. Right over here, 5, 7, and 40. Well, 5 times 7 is not 40. 5 times 7 is 35. So that is not a fact family. So that goes over here. 5 times 9 is not 50. 5 times 9 is 45. I sense a pattern in how I did this, actually. 4, 9, and 12. Well, 4 times 9 is not 12. Those numbers have got nothing to do with each other. They are not a fact family. 5, 7, and 35. That is not a fact family. That was a test. This is a fact family. I hope you caught that. 5 times 7 is 35. 30 does divide by 5, and the answer is 6. So that is a fact family. Over here, 27, 3, and 9. Well, 27 divided by 3, hey, it's 9. That's a fact family, so we're going to put that in there. I need more space here. 2, 8, and 16. Well, 2 times 8 is 16, so that works. Over here, hey, I put that one in twice. Made it easy for you. 7, 56, and 8. 7 divides into 56 8 times, so that one is a fact family. So that's going over here. 81, 9, and 9. This one's a bit tricky because there are two numbers that are the same. You might be thinking, well, how can we have two numbers that are the same? Well, 9 divided into 81 does, in fact, go 9 times evenly. So that is a fact family as well. Whoops, I'm just going to make some more space in this grid here. 4 into 24 goes 6 times. So that's a fact family. 7 and 3, multiply those. You don't get 27. You get 21. So that goes over here. And over here, 7 divided into 49 does, in fact, go 7 times. So this is what yours should look like. You should have 5 over here. The rest should be over here. And hopefully, that's sort of what you had. Let me show you what I'm going to have for you today. So for today, you're going to be, where is it? Here it is. So I'm going to be sending you this file, and it's going to be in Google Slides, but you can actually type into this. So don't actually go into presentation mode. You're just going to type into this. This is fact families, and it's sort of a cool thing. It's got a funky little monster here. Basically, it's going to, there are going to be 3 boxes or 2 boxes across the top here. You're going to reveal one of them, and it's going to show you a fact family like this, 3, 7, and 21. And you're going to plug the numbers in over here so that it makes sense. So 3 times 7 is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So let me give you an example. Do the first one together. So you'll notice that, they did this one for you. Sorry. Let's take a look at this one. So, whoops. So you'll notice that you can actually type in these boxes. So I'm not sure what's behind here. What's behind here? Oh, so you can actually choose which one you want to do. So why don't we do this one? So I'm going to type in. So I got 3, 6, and 18. So no 3, type in here, times 6 is equal to 18. Now over here, I got to do the opposite. 6 times 3 is 18. And here's my division. 18 divided by 6 is 3, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. Whoops. It won't let me type in that box. That's not fun. Yeah, that's a mistake. Keep in mind that when you're dividing, the larger number for now, we're always going to have the larger number first. So you can't divide 6 divided by 18. You'll learn how to do that in grade 6. But right now, we're always the larger number goes first. Otherwise, you get decimal. Anyway, I'm not sure why this one's not working. So you might have chosen this one. You might have chosen to do the middle one or this one. So totally up to you. And then if you go back, you'll notice that the other ones, there's a whole bunch of them here on the side. And if you could fill in those, and that'll give you some good practice when it comes to fact families. So that's the homework for today. Now, before I go and end this video, what I wanted to do is show you what we're going to do this afternoon. So at 1 o'clock, I'm not sure this is going to work, but we'll see what we can do here because technology, you never know with technology. But let's see what we can do. At 1 o'clock, I'm hoping to have a video conference with the class. Now, video conferences, we use for video conferences something called Google Hangouts. So you're going to go, this is my, well, let me just get a regular Google screen here. Let me just do this. So your screen's going to look like this. And showing a lot of love to the emergency workers over here with Google. You're going to click on your icons here and you're going to scroll down until you see Google Hangouts. It's right there. Now, Google Hangouts is what I'm going to use, and it gives me a screen that looks like this. And I am going to invite you all to join the Google Hangouts. So at 1 o'clock, you're going to go into your email, and I will send you an email with the link to the meeting that we're going to have. You're going to click on that link. It should take you to this page, and you should join. Hopefully, this works because I've never tried this before. But let's keep our fingers crossed. At that point, we're going to go to video call. We're all going to go in the video thing. And so basically, when I hit this, my face is going to pop up. Oh, no, wait a minute. So I'm going to go join or start a meeting. And I'm going to call the meeting something like Woodland Heights grade 4. And then I am going to actually pop up on the screen and you will be joining the meeting. So what I think will happen, that's me, by the way, hi. What I think should happen is a whole bunch of little squares with everybody's heads should show up on the screen, and then we're actually going to play our math game. Let's keep our fingers crossed that it actually works, because like I said, I've never done this before. So anyway, and then we're going to play our game. So the game I'll explain to you at the time, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I'm just going to get out of Google Meet here. And that's it. So thank you very much. I will send you that email with the invitation. And if you have any questions about this math, just let me know. And enjoy the rest of your morning.